Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer here with a quick look at some really cool Aramid Fiber cases by Pitaka for iPhone 14 series. So we've got their MagEZ Case 3, astonishingly thin and lightweight, MagSafe, carefully crafted, just a lovely case. Really great for the case minimalist. And then we have the MagEZ Case Pro 3. This one's got a little bit more heft to it, but not much. It's got more TPU, it's got a microfiber lining, and again, also MagSafe, just a lovely case. I don't have my iPhone 14 series phones yet, but I did want to give you guys a quick look at these cases. Let's check them out. So for those of you that are not familiar with Aramid Fiber, it is basically generic Kevlar, so super strong, super light, something like 5 times as strong as steel and 5 times as light. So just a lovely material. It is a woven material. This is not the same as carbon fiber. A lot of people get it confused. Carbon fiber is actually quite brittle. Aramid fiber isn't. It's also just a really strong material, very nice. So this company Pitaka specializes in Aramid fiber. Pretty much all of their products are made of Aramid fiber, and I think that they are really good at it. Their products just keep on getting nicer year after year, so they've made their cases this year extra thin. They managed to sandwich the magnets here for the MagSafe into something called MagSafe Slim Board, sliding it in between the Aramid fiber on the inside and on the outside. Really nice job here. We have a raised rim around the camera. Obviously, I cannot actually show this on the 14 Pro because I don't have my 14 Pro yet. But if last year's cases are any indication, this is just going to be vanishingly thin on the phone. Just a beautiful case. However, this is not going to be as protective as the Pro version of this case. This is going to give you basic overall protection, but it's not mil-spec. Even though it's made of this super protective material, it's also super thin and super light. So you have to keep that in mind. So if you're going to compare this to the Pro version, you can see the Pro version has a combination of Aramid fiber and TPU. You got more TPU on the sides. That's very good for impact. And then you've got a soft microfiber lining. Again, also MagSafe. They're really good with the MagSafe there at Pitaka. And this is overall a sturdier case, but still very thin, very lightweight. This was one of my favorite cases last year for my 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. Just a very nice case from Pitaka. So a lot of you might be familiar with Aramid Fiber from Mous' Limitless line of cases. These are very nice cases. I'm a big fan of the Limitless cases, but they're quite different. And if you compare them side by side with Pitaka's cases, you can see that although both are nice, they are just extremely different case lines. So the Mous Limitless cases have Aramid fiber here on the back. There is no Aramid fiber anywhere else. It's simply a back panel of Aramid fiber. The sides are going to be a polycarbonate. I think there's some TPU in there as well. And then you have a microfiber lining, again, also MagSafe. This is a lovely case. I'm a huge fan of this Limitless 5 case for the iPhone 14 Pro by Mous, but it's not the same as the Pitaka case. So if you want to compare this one here, this is also 14 Pro, the Pitaka MagEZ Case 3, you can see you're just looking at an entirely different product. It is not intended to provide extreme protection. It's intended to look sophisticated and small and light and beautiful. So they're both really nice cases, just very, very different cases for very different people and very different purposes. The reason that I bring this up is I get a lot of people who ask me to compare the two. Probably the two that are a better comparison are the MagEZ Case Pro 3 and the Mous Limitless 5.0, but I don't have those in the same case size, so then it starts looking a little bit strange because I've got one for the 14 Pro Max and I've got one for the 14 Pro, so it's not a very good side-by-side comparison. But These are both really nice cases. They are just super different. So for those of you that were curious and going to ask me in the comments, I just wanted to show that to you. One other thing to mention about these MagEZ cases by Pitaka is you have the choice of a 600D or a 1500D when you're ordering them. And what that's referring to is the thickness of the weave. So you have this really narrow weave here on the 600 and you have a wider weave on the 1500. Both of them are excellent, but they are just a little bit different. The 600 is more delicate. This is a little bit of a thinner material. You've got a little thicker material here with the 1500. So it just depends on what kind of look you want, what you're going for. And then finally, one of the really cool things that Pitaka has introduced recently is its fusion weaving. So you can see here you got the plain version, and then this one here has this fusion weaving stripe. So I don't know much about weaving and not that much about Aramid Fiber cases, but from what I can tell on Pitaka's website, it's actually pretty technically difficult to do this. So this is not just a printed on design. They have actually woven in different stripes of colored Aramid fiber here, and you have an actual different weave here. So you got one weave there and then a different weave pattern there. It's not an easy thing to do. I think that Pitaka is the only one doing it, and it really makes a unique case. So I'm looking forward to actually showing you this on the phone later, but I don't have my 14 Pro Max yet, so I can't show it off. But really lovely cases from Pitaka, and again, just vanishingly light. It's amazing. I think that they're saying it is the world's lightest Aramid fiber phone case, and I can definitely believe it because this is just super, super light and just a lovely case from Pitaka. So again, just a quick look at these. I will be doing a more detailed review later, but I did want to show you these lovely cases because I keep on getting all of these questions about how do they compare to the Mous Limitless 5.0 and all of that. So at any rate, you can check out the details on Pitaka's website about these cases and definitely consider them if you were looking for a super thin, super lightweight case for your new iPhone 14 series phone. Again, we've been looking at the Pitaka MagEZ Case 3 and Pitaka MagEZ Case Pro 3 for the iPhone 14 series. These cases are going to run you $59.99 for the MagEZ Case 3 and MagEZ Case Pro 3. But if you want to get the fancy fusion weaving version, it's going to cost you $10 more. And currently, the fusion weaving is only available for the MagEZ Case 3, not for the MagEZ Case Pro 3. Many thanks to the kind folks at Pitaka for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and do consider hitting that subscribe button because I've got a lot more tech accessory reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.